In this video, we play with the Traxxas UDR. Do you want to get rich quick? Then buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. If you want to get rich for sure, you have to provide either a product or service of value. I've spent the past 10 years of my life trying many different ways of making money online. And by far, the quickest and easiest way that I have found is by selling on eBay. I make over $100,000 every single year by selling simple items like this. And I've helped hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want more money so you can buy more toys, buy a nice house, or quit that dreaded 9 till 5, then click the link down below and I'll show you how. Oh guys, check out the British weather. Alright, ready for launch? Oh yes, we're off. Oh no. What about donut on the molehill? Oh, look at it destroy that molehill. Oh yes. That's handling better with that bald rear tyres. Look at it drift round, man. That's lovely. Oh man, that's handling so nice. Watch out, lad. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh look, molehill! Alright, next location. Alright, next location. Look at that, flat out. Alright, watch out, Pat, I'm going to jump it flat out up here. Here we go, flat out. Oh my god, here we come, here we come. Oh my god, look at that fly. It lands so nice. Just look how it drifts. Oh my god. Guys, it drifts so lovely now. It's so nice to drive. And I'll tell you the reason it is, if you have a look at my rear tyres, they've gone bald. So now it's not digging in as much, it's just sliding over and it's just handling so nice. It's just so much fun. And I've got these RPM arms on here, look. And this used to be a big weak spot. These used to snap quite a lot. But now I've got the RPM ones on there. Hopefully that issue's resolved. And also on the inside, I used to break the centre drive shaft. That used to break fairly often, so now I've put a steel one in there. I'm going to put a link to that down below actually, that one there. Let's see how big of a drift I can do on this field. Oh, I just spun out. Tumbly wumbly. Oh look man, look at that guy, look. Oh, and we spin out. Tumble wumble. Look at it, it's just drifting. It's not grip molding at all. This thing is, oh, just as I said it, over she goes. Save it, yes, and we saved it. Oh! Can the UDR make it to the top of the hill? Oh, I just got off the poo. No, let's get away from this area. I think there was a poo around here somewhere. Have I got any poo on the UDR? No, we're good. Oh, yes. All right, here we go, flat out. Nobody's coming, yes. Yes, look at that fly. Oh, I can't see where it went, it's too much dust. Man, I love the way this thing drives. I mean, it's definitely not a basher, but look at that. Oh, I just shot me in the face. Oh, here comes Maxine. Alright, so we can jump over this mound here. Oh! I don't know what the landing was like. Oh, UDR versus ploughed field. I'm going to put this onto slow motion. Oh man, look at it. It just takes it. Ah, tumble wumble. Oh my god, this is taking it. Look at this ploughed field. It's really definitely too rough for it, but it's doing it. Oh, look at that articulation, look. It's stuck. So, see if we can get it out. Oh yes, there we go. This is not really the sort of car you would use for crawling. I probably don't want to sit behind it. Ah, batteries are flat. Footage! There we go. There we go, we're out. Look at all these flies here. Oh man, look at the countryside. Alright, I've got to change my lipos. And then, new location? Yes. Alright, we've actually got the e-Revo on us as well, so I'm going to give that a blast in a minute. But first, I want to give this WL Toys A979 a quick rip. These are super duper dirt cheap. They're perfect beginner RC, and they take quite a beating. Size-wise, look, there's my hand. Alright, let's try again. Here we go. Oh yes. Man, it's pretty fast. Guys, I'm going to put a link to this little card down below, and also I'm going to put a link up here to where I've done an unboxing and a review on it. And we took it to the skate park and it took it well, nothing broke. Oh, it got me. Alright, e-Revo time. Alright, let's let it rip. Oh my god, it's got power. Oh, that motor doesn't sound like it's meshed properly though. Man, this is fast. Alright, standing backflip anyone? I don't know if it's going to work. We'll give it a go. Oh no, not quite. Yes, saved it. Oh guys, that motor needs remeshing. That's getting hot in there. So we're going to put the batteries back into the UDR and carry on with that. All I've got to do really is just loosen off that screw, and then we can adjust the mesh. But I haven't brought out any tools with me, so yeah. Alright, back to the UDR and next location. Alright, new location. We used to come here quite a lot when we were kids on the old bikes with Stempy. We've not been here with the RCs for a long while. I don't think I've ever had it on this channel. There used to be a few mounds and stuff we can play with over there. So, alright, let's blast. I drift so nice on the tarmac as well now, look. Oh man, that handle's so nice. There we go. Yes. Ah, tumble wumble. Oh my god, it's moving. Oh. Hey, look at that go. Alright, so we can go flat out up there. Now watch out, Pat, this might be coming your direction. Oh, ho, ho. Look at that, the old RPM arms, loving it. Hopefully RPM are going to come out with some arms for the front, because these I've broken a couple of times. That didn't work. Oh! Oh my God! Oh no, we bent the arm. That's alright, these are easy to straighten out. Oh guys, we bust it. But luckily, all you got to do, look. So I see a lot of people, they replace this with aluminium, or aluminum. And the trouble is, when you crash, you want something to give. And if all you do is bend this bar, and then all you got to do is straighten it out again. And we're back in action.
Awesome.
There we are, we're off, flat out. Oh Jesus! Look how it's parked. Thumbnail.
That was close, Kev.
I know. I nearly crashed mine. Oh! Tumble wumble! Alright, so guys, years ago, me and Stempy used to come up here. We used to hit this with our bikes. We used to take a run up from all the way up there, cane it down there, hit that. So we used to come from up here, then we used to like flat out, cycle down here as fast as we could, cut across there. We got told off by the police because it started leaving a rut coming up here. Oh! Why did he go in there? Oh, oh my God. That goes up there, Pat. Well, let's do that a bit nicer. That was a bit aggressive. Nice. Oh, 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 poor UDR's getting it today, but it's taking it. It's taking the abuse. It's taking the abuse well. These RPM arms doing their job. This is bent again. I think I'm going to leave it like that because if all you got to do is just straighten that out. Can't do it one-handed. Hold on, I've got to put you down. If all you have to do is once in a while straighten that out, that's no big deal. Oh, oh, body. Definitely going to need a new body soon. That's for sure. Nice. Let's do it in slow motion. I remember as a kid, guys, I used to be scared to cycle up this because I could only get sort of halfway up and then I couldn't go anymore and then I'd roll back and fall off. Stempy could do it all the time, but I couldn't. Let's see if the UDR can do it. Easy.